Hello, I am Mr. M from Git4Dev. Today I will talk about how to get latitude and longitude from Google Maps. Example, I want to know latitude and longitude of the Eiffel Tower. First step, typing Eiffel Tower in the search bar at the top left of screen. Google Maps will bring you to Eiffel Tower. Zoom in to the exactly of location and right click. Click on what here. Latitude and longitude will show at the bottom of screen. First value is latitude and second value is longitude. You can right click and get latitude, longitude in any location. Now I have to go. Don't forget like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye สวัสดีครับ